How do you do this again? Right, wait, there you go. Hi! Sorry, it's been a while. 2 springs ago, which was what, 2021? My key fob died and I couldn't get into the car. And that was after, winter, it's been sitting. It wasn't being used. Now, 2023, the car battery finally died. Now I had to replace it. I mean, to be fair, it's 6 years old already. I mean, the car is 2017. I didn't remove the car battery during winter, so that's on me. Plus, it's been a while since I've actually made one of these. What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to my channel where I do a bunch of stuff with my 370Z. This time we're doing car battery replacement, despite being there's still snow on the ground. I mean, there's been a lot of sports car running around now, so I think it's the time to bring out the Z. I mean, it's March, I don't care. We're probably gonna get a little bit of the snow, maybe sometime April, May, but who cares? The Z's alive again. All right, enough chatter, let's just jump right in. Before you comment about my engine bay being dirty, I know. When the weather warms up a bit, I'll clean it and make a video. So subscribe right now if you want to see that. Anyway, the battery compartment is right over here. Remove the cover with these 2 tabs at the front. Remove the 4 clips from the perimeter of the battery compartment surrounded with the flathead screwdriver. I only have 3 because the other hole is taken over by my hood dampers. If you want to see how I installed it, check the description below. Remove the passenger side windshield cowl with these 2 clips and pull out the rubber hood seal. Remove the 2 10mm bolts from the battery tied down and remove the negative terminal first, then the positive. I got this Master Select battery for $130 Canadian. It's good enough for my application. So after installing the battery, just do everything in reverse and you're good to go. And that is everything for today's video. If this video managed to help you at all in replacing your battery, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.